PPM player. Jersey number 5. Rider out. Rebel Star 1 point. Young man. Rebel Star rider jersey number 7. Man. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 8. Vegetation, jersey number 8. Outdoor number. Jersey number out. Rebel Star point to Rebel Star. Jersey number 3. Rebel Star 2. Rebel Star rider Gnanandar Reddy. Rider Propol. Jersey number Gnanandar 07.2 Rebel Star. Youth brothers, youth. Sachin, jersey number 5. Jersey number 5, Sachin. Jersey number 5, Sachin. Jersey number 5, Sachin. Jersey number 5. Point to youth boys. 1.2 youth boys. Point to Rebel Star.
రే ಹಿಂಗ ಯಾರ ಬರ್ತಾರ್ರಿ
ಅಂತ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಬರನೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 07 ಜ್ಞಾನೇಂದ್ರ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ Rebel Star 1 point youth brothers 02 fire boys ಗಂಗಾವರ ಹುಡುಗಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ fire boys ಕಾಮಿ ಗಂಗಾವರ fire boys 02 fire boys 02 jersey number 02 right out of one 1.2 Rebel Star. Point to Rebel Star 1 plus 2 points Rebel Star.
కొద్దిమంది వచ్చినారు
Point to youth brothers rider PPM fire boys
అయిపోయి
right out Rebel Star 1 point. Rebel Star rider jersey number 10 Rebel Star rider jersey number 10 rider youth brothers 2 rider PPM fire boys point Rebel Star. Next evolution. Half time go last minute. Gangana madhya half time ke 8 నిమిషం వచ్చారంట. Last time to half minute. Last time to half minute. Change. Three points for you. Rebel Star rider Gangaraju. Two points Rebel Star.
కోడి
half time के last ride ये last ride right out point to Rebel Star.
బాగా ఆడుతున్నారు రే మన వాళ్ళు.
Next team, Ranger Boys B versus HNS Warriors. Wait, ready ball. Right. Point to Rubber Star. కత్తిలాగా ఆటాను రబ్బర్ స్టార్. రబ్బర్ స్టార్ 23 పాయింట్లు, యూత్ 4 పాయింట్లు. నెక్స్ట్